Today, I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have been trying to turn your Galaxy Tab S10 Plus into a legitimate laptop replacement, you have probably realized that the keyboard is the most important part of that equation. I have been using the official Samsung book cover keyboard for the past 2 weeks, and while it is undeniably the best fitting option for the tablet, it is not without some frustrating quirks that you should know about before dropping the money on it. You can check the link below the video if you want to see the current pricing or grab one for yourself, but stick around because there are a few things about this hardware that might actually annoy you. Let's start with the build quality, which is exactly what you would expect from a first-party accessory. It feels premium, the magnetic attachment is incredibly strong, and the ability to detach the keyboard while keeping the back cover on is a massive upgrade over older versions. It feels like a cohesive unit, not an afterthought. The hinge on the back cover is the real star here, as that 150-degree range of motion is genuinely useful. Whether I am sitting at a desk or trying to balance this on my lap on the couch, I can always find a viewing angle that prevents that annoying glare you get with cheaper, less adjustable cases. The typing experience itself is solid. Samsung has done a great job with the key travel and the spacing. If you are coming from a traditional laptop, you will feel right at home within minutes. The trackpad is responsive enough for basic navigation and scrolling, and when you combine that with DeX mode, the whole thing really does feel like a scaled-down PC. I found myself breezing through emails and basic document editing without needing to reach up and touch the screen constantly. Now, we need to talk about that dedicated AI key. Samsung is pushing this as a major selling point, but in practice, it is a bit of a mixed bag. Yes, it gives you instant access to Bixby or Gemini, and if you are someone who lives in those ecosystems, it saves you a couple of seconds. However, for a lot of power users, it just feels like a button that takes up space that could have been used for a more useful shortcut. I rarely found myself hitting it intentionally. It is a nice addition if you use AI tools daily, but if you don't, it is essentially just a bit of marketing fluff. The wireless keyboard sharing feature is another one of those things that sounds better on paper than it is in practice. Being able to switch the keyboard over to your Galaxy phone is a cool trick, and it works well when it works, but I found the pairing process to be just inconsistent enough that I eventually stopped using it. It is a neat party trick, but it is not the main reason you should buy this. The biggest disappointment for me is the price. It is expensive, and for what you are paying, you really expect a perfect product. While the keyboard is great, the weight it adds to the tablet is noticeable. If you want a lightweight, portable setup, this makes the Tab S10 Plus feel significantly bulkier. Also, if you are a heavy user who likes to type while lying in bed or sitting in a cramped airplane seat, the magnetic back hinge can be a little finicky compared to a traditional laptop hinge. It is stable on a flat surface, but it is not quite as rigid as a dedicated laptop base. So, who is this actually for? If you use your tablet for work, school, or any kind of serious writing, this is the best keyboard you can get, period. The integration with the tablet software is flawless, and the DeX experience is just better when you have the official hardware. But if you only use your tablet for watching videos or light web browsing, you are probably better off buying a cheaper third-party case and a separate Bluetooth keyboard. You just don't need to spend this kind of money for casual use. Ultimately, this accessory is about convenience and the premium experience of having a tablet that acts like a computer. If you have the budget and you want the most seamless experience possible, you'll be happy with it. Just remember to check the link below the video to see if there are any current deals, because the price tag is definitely the hardest part to swallow. It is a great piece of kit, but it is a luxury, not a necessity for everyone.